Are we ready?
Yeah.
Make sure I have no like lettuce in my teeth.
All right, guys. So today is going to be a little bit of a sciencey type stream. I was thinking of doing a review on this video about Gravity Explained Simplified. So I have this theory about what gravity is. So I'm taking my time to really accumulate the knowledge on what it is that gravity really is, because from what I can tell and from what I research is that we to this day still don't know what gravity is. So we're gonna go ahead and drop right into this video. This is a video by Moo Moo Math and Science. The video is called Gravity Explained Simplified. Now again, we do not own the rights to anything that's being played here on the stream, any of the audio or the sounds that is being played. We are simply here to react. So let's jump right into this video on YouTube.
Moo Moo Math and Science. We are familiar with gravity as the reason objects fall. But what is gravity?
Hold on 1 second. Let me fix it. 2. Word.
Newton described gravity as an attractive force between all objects with mass. He described gravity as a mysterious action at a distance. Einstein described gravity as the bending of space and time. The reality is that gravity keeps us from falling off the Earth, and it's what keeps the Earth in orbit around the Sun, and it's what caused the Sun, planets, and moons to form. Every object with mass attracts every other object with mass. That means your dog, the moon, and a huge star are all attracted to you and you to them. Sir Isaac Newton discovered that the gravitational force between two objects is directly proportional to the product of the mass of the objects and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between the objects. In simple terms, this means the law of gravitation states all objects in the universe attract each other through gravitational force, and the law depends on mass and distance. As the distance between the two objects gets larger, the force of the gravity gets much smaller. According to Einstein, the larger the mass of the object, the greater the curvature of space and time, and the greater the attraction between the objects. The closer the objects are to one another, the greater the attraction, and the further away from.
I think gravity is more like almost similar to like a magnetic field.
Yeah, I agree with that. Cause like to say that a planet, right? Like think about what they're saying, right? They're saying this is happening. Each planet, technically they're saying that each planet has a gravitational pull, but not every planet is as massive as other planets. So how are they still having such bending space and time? There are some asteroids and stuff like that aren't even classified as planets that have a gravitational pull. What does that doesn't explain? I'm pretty sure this asteroid is nowhere near as big as these planets and smaller planets and stuff like that. So I don't feel like that's what's happening. I feel like planets and stars and stuff like that, they're just ginormous magnets that pull on each other, and planets that that rotate around other planets, they're just stuck in the magnetic vector field that they're spinning around. Because if you look at a magnetic field, it basically looks like what a what the it's okay, the solar system looks like. Hold on.
You're good.
Now, if you look at how the magnetic field is set up, planets can orbit on these vector fields that the planet is giving off. It's not a gravitational push inside the space and time. It's just whenever two magnets come close enough, they lock onto each other. Why do you think the moon is facing a certain way? Because they lock onto each other.
Like me.
Sorry, it's having a hard time right now, and it's saying it's buffering and stuff like that. But in all honesty, I'll probably just cut the stream now and do a short stream today because I'm just not really feeling it. I'll probably might stream a little bit later.
Yeah, once you wake up more and once we get in the vibes and stuff like that. Because sometimes it just takes some time being away and you have to like get inspiration. We do plan on streaming a little bit more later when I don't know, it's like after we get off the stream is when we start talking about good stuff. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. But alright guys, we'll be back on the stream hopefully later on today, but we'll definitely be on tomorrow to pick up and stuff like that. But we'll see you guys later.